Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I made this lovely necklace and earring set. But first, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you where I shopped for all my stuff. Everything I use can either be found on Amazon, Temu, or Shein. There are other shopping sites, but these are the ones I used to get the items I needed to create these gorgeous pieces of jewelry. For these pieces, I used the Resin UV resin. Just in case you're wondering if they are safe to be worn, yes they are. When resin is fully cured, they are completely safe to be worn. Most earrings, pendants, and bangles that people wear are made from resin. As you can see, I placed the bezels on resin tape. This is to fasten the bezels so that the resin doesn't leak out. I then added a bit of UV resin into each bezel and smoothed it out. I removed bubbles if there were any and cured for about 2 minutes under the UV light. I mixed white dye in clear resin, then added a little glitter, stirred and poured into the bezels. I love glitters a lot, guys, so sometimes I work with a lot of glitters. After they are cured until they are hard, I added a little more clear resin, decorated the bezels to my liking or to my client's liking, and put them under the UV light until they are cured. I then domed the pieces on both sides, making the front parts a little more domed than the back. Also guys, I made sure one side was fully cured before flipping and doming the other side. After doming them, I placed them under the UV light for a long time until they were fully cured. Then I assembled the pieces. That's how I made these beautiful pieces. Oh my guys, these are so beautiful. Look at them. I really love these. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.